Energy, the ability to do work and make things move. Power, energy that makes something work. Work to use, energy to do something. Electricity, a type of energy carried through wires to make things run. Heat, a type of energy that makes something warmer. Light, a type of energy that lets us see. Battery, a container that stores and saves energy. Charge to put energy into something. Machine, a device or object that makes or does something. Sound, a type of energy that lets us hear. Source, where something comes from. Waving up and down, movement that moves energy. Bang, 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 and moves energy. Energy, the ability then to do work and make things move. Power, energy that makes something work. Work to use, energy to do something. Electricity, a type of energy carried through wires to make things run. Heat, a type of energy that makes something warmer. Battery, a container that stores and saves energy. Charge to put energy into something. Machine, a device or object that makes or does something. Sound, a type of energy that lets us hear. Source, where something comes from.